Hello Aries, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Aries, this is your reading for the mid of April, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Aries will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. Okay, I'm shuffling the cards. I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know, Aries. Let's see what you need to know. Aries, what do you need to know? The Seven of Pentacles. Your focus is towards creating options. Okay, Aries, you don't want to remain stuck on one option. Whether you want to implement this strategy when it comes to love and romance, or whether you want to implement this strategy when it comes to making money, you want backup, you want to create backup. Okay, and that is the most rational and the logical perspective you have, given whatever you have experienced in the past. You definitely don't want to rely on one specific thing or one specific person, because you have kind of realized that it won't be a sound decision to put your entire to count on one specific person or one specific career or one specific money making source of income, right? So your focus is definitely towards thinking about creating alternatives, creating different sources of income. Or probably when it comes to love and romance as well, you will notice that you're open to dating a lot. You'll find yourself interacting with people, you'll find yourself dating people, you'll find yourself going out with people, and spending money over dates, because this is something you'll consider as an investment. Okay, you won't feel like I mean, yeah, you the focus is you are trying to take things pretty seriously. So dating is also something that you're taking pretty seriously. You want to know the person very well, because you are trying to arrive at a decision that you want to spend the rest of your life with someone, and who that person is going to be. Okay, so dating is something that you're going to take pretty seriously in the month of April. The Queen of Swords. I think so. You're going to have some sort of altercations with your mother, or a female figure who is coming across as slightly dominating, who is coming across as slightly controlling. Uh, for some of you, this can also be a romantic partner if you're already in a connection with someone, and that is happening because whoever this female is undergoing some sort of bodily changes, probably hormonal changes. For some of you, these hormonal changes are happening because of pregnancy. For some of you, Aries, if you're a female watching this, you might experience certain hormonal changes within you in the balanced number of days in the month of April, either because of pregnancy or because of anything else. I don't see you have to worry about it. There is nothing to worry about it. But if at all there are any mood swings that are happening, you know different than the usual ones, those are happening because of the hormonal changes. Okay, Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is telling me, for some of you, yeah, again, I feel like there is an energy of altercation. Both the people are holding swords and charging towards one another, right? One person is charging towards the other, and the other person is coming across as defensive person. The first one is coming across as an attacker. So you might feel like some people are trying to attack you for literally for no reason. Some people are trying to blame you literally for no reason. Some people are trying to hold you responsible literally for no reason. Probably you might also feel, Aries, like some people are trying to shift the blame on you. Okay, so you be bit careful about this entire situation. Do not accept the blame whatsoever. You be in your defensive era, you be in your defensive energy, and stand up for yourself. Do not listen to whatever BS is being thrown at you. Another thing, I do feel like there is someone from the past who wants to stop you. I think so you want to move on, but there is someone from the past who is trying to stop you. By the way, this reading is applicable for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Someone from the past is like charging towards you and coming towards you with full force and full energy. And this person, if you have rejected this person is not liking the fact that you have rejected. Or if you end up rejecting this person, they will not like that you are rejecting them. And they might come towards you with some allegations which probably you might feel a bit shocked and taken aback. But you don't have to worry, this is just a frustration that they are trying to vent out on. Then we have seven of cups. Seven of cups, again, number seven, seven of pentacles and seven of cups. See, again, having options is something is going to be very important for you. I do see that you are taking this pretty seriously. I do see that you don't want to rely on one specific person or one specific situation, that is for sure. There is a learning lesson that you have had in the recent past, and you have learned that there is no point in entertaining only one specific person or one specific situation, or investing your 100% into one specific situation or one specific person. Okay, so dating is something that you're going to take pretty seriously in the month of April, and then you will probably zero down on one specific person and that you are dating. And I think so you're going to date pretty aggressively in the month of April. Someone from the past is definitely not liking that you're dating and you're moving on and you're checking other options. There is someone who is keeping tabs on you. Okay, three of pentacles. Yes, you're going to find someone who wants to build a future with you. For others of you, I also feel like you're building a very strong foundation for a business empire that you're going to build in the future. You're laying down the foundation for something big. You're getting into your element Aries. You're getting into your element of an emperor. You're getting into this element of whatever experience you have had your entire life. You're going to put that experience into something that you're trying to build up from a long term perspective. You're going to create your own legacy. For some of you, you're going to create your brand name. Your surname will become a brand name. Okay, that will be used as a brand name. Two of swords. Yeah, someone from the past might come towards you with a big offer. Okay, they want to marry you. They want to have a future with you, and that is going to put you in this thinking process. Okay, yeah, because there is a lot of thinking that is going on in Seven of Cups and Seven of Pentacles as well. You'll find yourself thinking a lot about love and romance. Like you do have options at the same time. Someone from the past is coming towards you with a very solid offer and something that you're not expecting at all. Four of Cups, but you're sad when you think about the past. Think about giving chance to the past person. You feel heartbroken. You're like, there was a time when I could have given my 100% to this connection, and I was giving my 100%, but this person screwed up something. They screwed up, and now that I'm trying to walk away, now that I'm trying to move on, this person is rushing back with an offer of love. They're coming towards you with a very solid offer, and I think so you're going to be pretty shocked. But I also feel like you're going to reject their offer. Okay, because you're listening to your intuition knows what your intuition is trying to tell you. Okay, the devil is also telling me that you cannot envision having a very strong future with this person. It's coming across as you're dealing with someone who is very controlling. Maybe your ex was pretty controlling, whereas when it comes to you, you want a balance. Okay, you don't want someone controlling you, right? So I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye, Aries. This is your spread. Okay, this is your spread. Take care and bye bye.